In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset TradingView settings to default. If your chart has gotten cluttered or colors and scales don't look the way you expect, this quick reset will take everything in your chart settings back to TradingView's original defaults so you can start fresh with a clean, familiar workspace. First, open your browser and head to tradingview.com. You can do this on either a desktop or laptop for the best experience. If you use an account, make sure you're signed in so you're working on the layout you normally use. This process affects the chart settings you see on screen. It doesn't delete your saved layouts, watch lists, or account data. Next, select a stock and open the full chart view. The easiest way is to use the search bar at the top, pick a symbol, and then choose the full featured chart. This loads the main charting interface where all of your appearance, scales, and trading preferences live. Once the chart is open, right-click anywhere on the empty background of the chart area. This brings up a context menu with options related to your current chart. Right-clicking on a clear spot helps ensure you get the menu you need rather than a menu tied to a specific drawing or indicator. From that menu, click Settings. This opens the chart settings window. You'll see sections like symbols, status lines, scales, appearance, and more. These are the exact preferences we're about to reset. Inside the chart settings window, locate the Templates dropdown. Templates here refer to collections of chart setting choices. The drop-down gives you access to TradingView's default configuration as well as any templates you might have saved in the past. Click Apply Defaults. This command restores the built-in TradingView defaults across your chart settings. Expect things like background colors, grid lines, session breaks, bar colors, scale behavior, and other visual and interface preferences to snap back to the original state. This is especially useful if you've tried lots of customizations and aren't sure which change caused an issue. It's a clean slate without touching your symbols, your watch lists, or your saved layouts. To finalize, click OK. That confirms the change and closes the settings window. Your chart should now look like it did when you first started using TradingView with standard colors and behavior. That's it. You went to tradingview.com, opened the full chart, right-clicked, opened settings, used the templates drop-down, applied defaults, and confirmed with OK. If you want to personalize things again later, you can always revisit chart settings and tweak from there, knowing you can return to defaults anytime with the same steps.